then we can use that to.
That stuff breaks pretty easy then. So yeah.
Okay, Chris, what did you just do?
Well, when we got here, we had grease on the floor, 80-90 gear oil. I thought I fixed it before we left, but evidently we had a bad bearing. We got some bearings yesterday from Applied Racing Technologies over in, I don't know, north of Bradenton. I forget the town, but
Art? Was it Art?
Yeah, Applied Racing Technologies. But we had to cut the old bearings off, and now we're going to install new bearings. We're going to bring the axle up to my dad and Donnie, and they're going to put new axle bearings
Show me
on.
what else you got today, this morning to make this happen.
We got ourselves a grinder, a chisel, and a hammer. And if you want to go in there, Dave and Donnie will show you the rest.
Dave, what is this?
It's a 20-ton shop press for pressing the bearings on the axles.
And you just picked this up this morning?
Picked this up this morning at Harbor Freights.
Okay.
Side. I think so.
I'm a professional, and I think that's the right way.
Okay. Do we have any deep creep, Chris? Where'd he go? Just need to lubricate the shaft a little bit so the bearing slides on a little easier.
That's what she said.
That's off the old one, you're just using it to press it on?
Use it for a spacer, yes, to help press it on. I might have to adjust this, I don't know yet. Our pin here, go ahead. Okay.
No wonder you want me to wait.
Well, I don't think we should have any trouble, do you?
No, but I'll wait for a little bit longer.
Now, where's that big square doohickeys?
I don't know what you're asking about.
That big square doohickeys for
Okay, now I know what you're asking about.
So what is that?
Well, this is
A big square doohickeys?
This is a hitch, but what we wanted is a press plate.
Okay.
He'll show you.
You just need something to press on because the axle is hollow and we don't want to, just push this down through it.
Right.
So we'll put this in here for a big doohickeys. Yeah.
Easy as pie.
It's going very nicely right now.
How's it feeling, Dave?
Perfect. It's ready to go today.
This is a nice asset to have in the trailer.
Think we'll carry that with us from now on?
Pardon me?
Think we'll keep it in the trailer from now on?
Yeah, if we can. I think we're down against it, aren't we? Yep.
Yeah, looks like it.
Right up tight, wherever. Okay, cool. Now we gotta press that other collar on.
Good weather in August and all that.
We got the new bearing pressed on the axle here. I put a little silicone on that around this O-ring because sometimes that tends to leak a little bit, so we'll try to prevent that so we're not tearing it apart again. So we'll throw this in. To make Dave happy, we're gonna try to get this one in the same orientation. So if you could be on both sides of the car at the same time,
I can't.
you will think that it's the same.
Oh.
Jam it in.
Do you want a video and I can do the work?
Sure. enjoy that a lot.
This event is sponsored by FTI, but we're flying our Hughes Performance flags high in the sky. That's what we do. All right, back at it. Steve, what are you doing under there now?
Tightening up this brake caliper, and then we're ready to go. We can warm this thing up and see if it actually still runs. We haven't done that since we got down here. Warm it up, make sure we're good, put the tires back on, and get ready for Q1.
You've never had one, do yourself a favor, go and get them there, handmade. You need a bag of ice out there? That's where you get it as well.
You got some gas in there, Steve? In that primer?
How's it looking, Steve?
I think we got something to work with now, yeah. So, idle smooth in gear. Temp stays good while it's running, so yeah, we'll go with it.
What are we doing?
I'm posting on Instagram for the Bishop Performance.
Nicely done.
It laid over pretty bad at like 1,200 feet. And there's it looks like there's a bunch of water coming out the driver's side header. And there's some up front. Hopefully we didn't hurt it bad. Out there's all that boost is going out there. It's like a freaking water jet.
Yep, that might eat up the material.
I don't see it's only a little bit of a loop.
I've never seen that happen, actually, so to be fair, it's probably not a thing. Steve, you know what I'm talking about.
Always more to it.
On that galvanizing builder too.
Like it's hanging out the side back of the motor.